Most people think learning equals training. You go to a workshop, you do an online course, and boom, learning done, right? Well, if that were true, every workshop would transform training performance overnight. But it doesn't. Why? Because training is just the beginning. It's like buying the running shoes. You still have to actually run. Now, without the chance to actually apply it, without the right tools to practice, and without reminders, people forget. In fact, the research shows that we forget up to 70% of the new information within a week if we do not practice it. 70%. That's like buying 10 cupcakes and dropping 7 of them on the ground. Pretty painful, right? Especially if you have young kids. But that's the famous forgetting curve. Though I suspect honestly that this is much more nowadays. And that's why in L&D, the real impact comes from the ecosystem around the training. The learning management system, LMS, and the tools that track progress. Managers creating an accountability system to hold people actually accountable. Use of AI role play tools where people can practice in a safe environment. Teams channels that keep the conversations alive even after the training. And every tiny nudge or notification that reminds people to act. So basically, anything that helps the seed of training to grow the roots. But here's the key: if we want impact, we first need to know what change are we aiming for? What skills, what behavior, and what outcomes? Once we are clear, we can use the training ecosystem to our advantage and then check if the change actually happened. Here's one practical way to start. Instead of just sending a smiley sheet survey at the end of a course or a workshop that asks, did you like the training? Yes or no? Try adding what we call the lead measures. And don't let the terms scare you. It's simple. Lead measures means any early signs that people are actually using that skill. For example, let's say you trained managers or the leaders for coaching others training. A lead measure could be, did they ask at least one open ended question in their next meeting? Now that's observable and that's an early proof. It's like checking if a seed has actually sprouted before waiting for a full tree. That one step helps you from measuring what people liked to measuring what people actually do. So, in short, learning isn't just a classroom or a workshop, it's the entire system that helps people to apply, practice, and grow. And in this series, I will share some practical ways to make the training stick and show real results. In the next video, we will dig into why relying only on surveys gives us a false sense of progress and what to do instead. But for now, I would love to hear from you. What's one thing that you have seen help learning stick outside of the classroom or workshop environment? Drop it in the comments. Looking forward to see you in the next video. Happy learning.